How can you stop a persistent flu cough that prevents sleep? If you find yourself lying awake at night with a stubborn cough from the flu, you're not alone. A persistent cough can make restful sleep difficult and frustrating. Luckily, there are several safe, evidence-based steps you can take to ease your symptoms and improve your comfort. First, try elevating your head and upper body while sleeping. Using extra pillows or a wedge pillow helps prevent mucus from pooling in the back of your throat and reduces acid reflux, both of which can trigger coughing at night. Sleeping on your side is often better than lying flat on your back, as it can lessen mucus drainage and irritation. Next, adding moisture to your airways can be very helpful. Taking a warm, steamy shower before bed adds humidity, loosening mucus and soothing your cough reflex. Using a cool mist humidifier in your bedroom can also keep the air moist, which helps reduce throat irritation and coughing. Nasal saline sprays are another simple option to clear nasal passages and decrease postnasal drip, a common cause of nighttime coughs. Over-the-counter remedies can also assist, especially if allergies or postnasal drip are involved. Antihistamines like diphenhydramine or loratadine can reduce nasal mucus and lessen coughing. If acid reflux is contributing to your cough, avoid heavy or spicy meals close to bedtime. Using antacids or acid blockers such as famotidine or omeprazole may help reduce throat irritation and coughing caused by gastroesophageal reflux disease. Always follow the instructions on these medications and consult a healthcare provider if you're unsure. Drinking warm fluids like herbal teas or brothy soups before bed can soothe your throat and thin mucus, making coughing less frequent and more manageable. Avoid irritants such as cigarette smoke or strong odors, which can worsen cough symptoms. If your cough continues beyond a few weeks, worsens, or if you notice symptoms like shortness of breath, chest pain, or fever, it is important to see a healthcare professional. These could be signs of complications such as pneumonia or other infections that need medical attention. In summary, managing a persistent flu cough that interferes with sleep involves elevating your head during rest, keeping the air moist, controlling mucus and reflux triggers, using appropriate over-the-counter remedies, and seeking medical advice if symptoms persist or worsen. These strategies are supported by medical guidelines and can help you find relief while you recover from the flu. Remember, everyone's experience is different, so consult your healthcare provider for personalized advice and treatment options.